Stop scrolling. This purple cabbage stir fry is deeply satisfying, nourishing, and surprisingly easy to make. The kind of meal that feels common to cook and even better to eat. Colorful, warm, and full of flavor without any stress. Let's turn simple ingredients into a colorful, comforting meal. Let's begin. Start by frying minced garlic and onion, letting them soften and release that warm, savory aroma. Breathe that in. This is where the flavor begins. Next, add the mushrooms. Give everything a slow stir. Then cover the pan and let it fry gently for a few minutes. This step builds depth and brings out that rich, savory flavor. Then add the shredded carrots, celery, tomatoes, and bell peppers. Stir to combine. Add your chili pepper, just enough to wake up the dish without overpowering it. Now comes the star of the moment, the purple cabbage. Add it in, and watch the pan fill with rich color. Season it with garlic powder, slap your mama, pepper flakes, paprika, Old Bay, 1 Maggi cube, a drizzle of sesame oil to bring a warm, nutty aroma, a splash of soy sauce to add savory richness and ties all the vegetables together. Gently stir. Notice how glossy it looks. Notice the aroma. Warm, savory, slightly spicy, deeply inviting. Then cover the pan. Let it simmer softly for a few minutes, letting everything come together. Now uncover the pan. Finish with another small splash of rice vinegar to wake everything up and bring all the flavors into perfect balance. And a handful of chopped parsley to add freshness, color, and a clean, herby finish that ties everything together. Tell me, would you enjoy this for lunch or dinner? Honestly, look at this masterpiece. The purple cabbage so vibrant, the peppers and carrots popping with color, the aroma absolutely irresistible. It's healthy, packed with flavor, and somehow still so easy to make. Serve this masterpiece with air-fried grilled chicken strips and fluffy basmati rice, or whatever feels right to you. If this made you hungry, like it, save it for later, and share it with someone who deserves a delicious, colorful meal. Leave a comment if you're trying it. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. #Purple Cabbage Perfection.